Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Amazon app not processing orders. So if this is happening to you, you're trying to basically check out over on the Amazon app and it just keeps on denying you, then in this video I have found some easy ways in order to fix this, and let's just immediately start with the basics. So the first thing you want to make sure to check if this is happening is simply check your payment method. For example, when you're using PayPal, you want to make sure that you have actually typed in the right PayPal credentials basically in order to actually access your account. So just double check if you are actually using the right email and the right password in order to actually start paying over on the Amazon app. So just make sure to check your credentials. Now, once you've done that, what you also need to basically do is check if you have enough money over on either your gift card you're trying to check out with, or of course your bank makes sure you have enough money in order to actually buy that product, because if you don't, there's a big chance that either your bank or Amazon will just straight up cancel that order and just not process that order. Now what you can also simply try and do, if all of that is not the case, you can also try to simply use the website in order to basically check out on the website. The website is a lot more has a lot more features, so I'd recommend checking out the website to see if it may be working there. Now, if that is still not working, what you can basically also try and do is simply log out of your account and then log back into your account to see if basically just refreshing the app basically works for you. If that still did not fix the issue for you, then we can head over to some other options that may just fix some internal issues with your Amazon app. So there's also a chance that maybe, for example, that your cache over on your Amazon app is just too big. In order to clear that, simply head over to settings on either your iPhone or Android, then scroll down to General, iPhone Storage, and basically what we're going to do is clear the cache of our Amazon app. So we're just going to scroll down until you find the Amazon app right here. And once we're right here, we're going to click on Offload App. Once you've done that, wait a few seconds and then click on Reinstall App. And basically, once you've done that, you've cleared the cache of the Amazon app, and you can now check to see if it's maybe working right now. Now, if it's still not working, then there might be a corrupt file in your Amazon app, meaning that in order to fix this, simply update your app. In order to do that, head over to your App Store or Google Play Store. It will all be the same, and click on Search, and then simply type in Amazon. Of course, it's really easy, and then just simply update the app just by clicking on it and then clicking on Update if there's an update available. Now, if that is also not the case, what you can also just simply do is reinstall the app. Most of the time, your data will not be lost because you can simply re-log in to your account. So just reinstall the app, log back into your account to see if it's now working. And basically, that are all the fixes I have for you in this video. So please let me know down in the comments below which fixed it for you. Or if you still need help, I will definitely help you out in the comments as well. And that being said, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.